Hello, my name is Mark. I'm from Control Devices and I'm here to show you the little solution we have for measuring tilt on one pivot point. So just down here, what we've got is our little display. Okay, we've got a little buzzer and I'll explain what that is for a little bit later. And up here on the bit of wood that we have, this bit of wood is currently set to being level. So we've got our spirit level already used and set up. So this is our little tilt sensor, and what this does is when we move this block of wood up and down, it will actually measure the angle. Now you heard the buzzer going off there. What I've done is set little, you could call them points in the little display, set points, and at those particular set points, which you can nominate yourself, the little buzzer will go off. Now, the way at the moment this is going to work is as I move the sensor up and down, you can see the angle changes from 0 to plus minus 5. This actually will measure a lot further. So this sensor measures up to plus minus 60 degrees. So as your machine is going along and this is traveling up and down, we can obviously make that a lot tighter, but you can actually see it moving and reading up and down the angle in reference to 0. So let's just say that you don't want to allow it to go plus or minus 5 degrees or any higher. So if you're driving around and you forget to watch this and you're watching while you're driving, which you probably should, this will actually remind you that you've gone past a certain angle. So once again, we've attached that to the buzzer at 5, and there you go. So that is how we've set this little system up. The little buzzer, I'm just running off the battery. You can actually have you don't actually have to have a buzzer. You can have a light bulb indicator or a flashing light. The way it's actually triggered is on the back. You've got 2 relay contacts, and you can set them individually. Like I had one set to positive 5, one to negative 5, but you can set that to whatever you like within the range you're measuring. So that is essentially just triggering, completing a circuit really for the little buzzer. So there's a power supply, which is the battery for the buzzer. But this will run, you can actually use the power source of 24 volts depending on what you're really triggering. This little fella currently is running on 240 volts, but we have a 24 volt version or a 12 volt version if you like. So essentially what happens is this device is reading from the sensor and doing something with it. So that's pretty much it. So let me know if this will do the job for you. Thank you.